Creating an account. In this video, we will discuss how to create your account and start your microbusiness application. To access the online microbusiness application, go to Cannabis.Mo.Gov. On the right-hand side of your screen, click the Microbusiness Information tab. Click the How to Apply tab. At the bottom of the page, click Application Registration. On the pop-up warning box, click Yes to be redirected to the Microbusiness License Application website. If this is your first time registering for the Missouri Medical Marijuana Program portal, you can create an account by going to the top right-hand corner of the web page and click Register. Please be sure that the information provided during registration is 100% accurate. This data will be used in your application, and you cannot modify this information after you register. Fill out the form completely by entering your legal first name, legal last name, email address, and phone number. When completing the field that says what type of application you would like to get started with, click the drop-down menu and select Business. Enter your business name and website if applicable. Enter your tax ID number if applicable. If you do not have an EIN number, please enter your Social Security number. Create your password and then re-enter your password. Make sure both password fields match. Read the terms and conditions and check the box. Click I am not a robot. If a pop-up window appears, follow the prompts and select all images that have the item mentioned, and then click Verify. After you register, you will receive a verification email. Go to the email you used to register and click the button that says Verify to activate your account. You must still complete and submit your application for review. If you're ready to start your application, you can now sign into your account with your credentials. All microbusiness applications and information regarding applications can be found on the department website, Cannabis.Mo.Gov. Specific questions can be sent to cannabisfas@health.mo.gov or by phone at 1-866-219-0165.